Today we're going to make this easy do-it-yourself paper bag bunny. It's perfect for an Easter treat bag or a decoration.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, a paper bag. Now here I just have a regular lunch bag. You can use whatever size you have. A little pom-pom or a cotton ball will do. Here I have some ribbon, string, whatever you have will also do. If you want to put a little tag on it, then I also recommend having a black marker crayon or pencil crayon or something colorful to write with, some white paper to do that in, and also some glue. This part here, you don't have to put the tag on, but it's just a nice addition. So let's get started. With that paper bag, you are going to take it and we are going to fold it. So I like to take it, the part that lifts up here, all I'm going to do is put it so this part is up and start on this end. And I'm going to fold from this side to this side. So we have it the long way, and I'm folding from the bottom here and top. So it's long and skinny and narrow. And then from the top here, so when I say the top, it's the part that opens. So just make sure you're at the part that opens. You'll take your pencil. I like to start in this corner and just curve a line to here. So you're going to start in this corner and just curve, and then stop. So this would be about halfway. You're going just a little bit up from halfway. See, maybe a couple fingers or 3 finger spaces. And then you're going to cut that out. So grab your scissors, cut that out. Once you have that cut out and you open it, see, you have your bunny ears. So super easy and simple and also cute. Now, this is a time where if you're going to make a tag, now's the time to make it, and I'm going to make that now. But if you don't want to do this part, you can just skip over and continue with the rest of the craft. You don't really need a tag. And when I make a tag, I'm making one that is specific just to say Happy Easter, get it, instead of happy, Happy Easter. But you could put a tag with someone's name on it, anything that you want, so it's completely up to you. Whatever tag size you want. You could do a square, you could do a long skinny tag, you get to decide. I think today I'm going to do something that's just a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut a rectangle, so this is going to be my tag. And then I think at the end, I'm going to cut this like this, just a rectangle, but I like to have a little design at the bottom, so I'm going to cut a little V here, almost like bunny ears too, right? There we go. And that's just going to add a little bit to my tag. So there my tag is, and then on there I'm going to write my message. Now I have my message. I'm just going to put that to the side. And we're going to finish up the bag. So the bag is now ready for you to put whatever you want inside. So your little treat can actually just open up the bag, and whatever your treat is that you're giving to someone for Easter can go inside. Now, if you're not using it as a treat bag and you want it just to be like a cute decorative bag, now you're going to shove whatever you want in there. So you could cut up little pieces. You could cut up little pieces of paper. You could have the little raffia paper, shredded paper. Sometimes in Easter baskets, you get all that little shredded paper. That would work. I'm just going to show you here. I happen to have a bunch of tissue. I'm just going to take that tissue and I'm going to put that in. This is where you kind of get to decide what's going to go. Hopefully you can hear me with all that rattling. You want to decide what's going in your bag. So if you're putting little treats in there, you could just put little treats in there. Or you could put a little bit of tissue and treats on top of the tissue. All you want to do is make sure you have a little bit of bulk in your bag. Then once the bulk is in, you want to just join the sides again. So join this side, because they're going to kind of push out a little bit on you. So join this side again, kind of flattening them again so it looks like those bunny ears. Okay, now see where my bunny ears come together here? This is where we're going to put the ribbon. So string, ribbon, whatever you happen to have. You might need help with this. Can be a little bit tricky and harder to handle, but Just do the best you can. I like to just wrap mine first, and then I'm going to tie it. Okay, once you've tied it, just open those up again so they actually look like your little bunny ears, and then you just might have to turn your ribbon around depending if you have thicker ribbon like I do, just so you can see the pretty ribbon. Here is where you are going to put your little pom-pom or cotton ball, whatever you have. And you can either just slip it right in, but I do find it's nice and convenient if you can actually attach it.
And there you have it. If you like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.